In a peaceful forest, there lived two best friends, Benny the bunny and Milo the squirrel. They were always together playing, laughing, and exploring the woods. Benny and Milo were loyal and kind. One day, after a big storm, a giant tree fell in front of Milo's home. Milo worriedly said, "Oh no, I can't get inside my home." Milo felt helpless, but Benny had an idea. Benny said, "Don't worry, Milo. Friends help each other." Benny tried to push the tree alone, but it was too heavy. Benny said, "I can't do this alone. I need help." So they asked their forest friends for help. Oliver the owl said, "Of course. Friends work together." With teamwork, they finally moved the tree. Milo felt grateful for his amazing friends and said, "Thank you, everyone. I couldn't have done it without you." Benny and Milo learned an important lesson. True friendship means helping each other. Milo, we are stronger together. Friendship is not just about playing, it's about supporting each other in difficult times. A real friend helps you when you need it most. Together we are stronger. Oh, that was an adorable story with a meaningful message. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. I can't do this alone. I need help. Thank you, everyone. I couldn't have done it without you. A loyal friend always stands by your side, even in difficult times. I felt helpless when my bike broke down in the middle of the road. I am grateful for all the love and care my friends show me. Great job, friends. Always be kind and help others. See you next time.